Ever wondered how to make money online through social media? In this digital age, the power of social media is undeniable. It's not just a place for sharing selfies and memes, it's a dynamic marketplace, a platform for self-expression, and a tool for global connection. This vast, interconnected web of interactions, discussions, and shared content is called social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience, to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. It's about crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience, and it's about understanding the algorithms that decide what content gets seen and what doesn't. From Facebook to Twitter, Instagram to YouTube, each platform has its unique language, its own rhythm, and its own set of rules. By understanding these platforms and learning to speak their language, we can unlock a wealth of opportunities for income generation and personal growth. Now that we've laid the groundwork, it's time to delve deeper. It's important to understand the different platforms available and how to use them to your advantage. Let's start with Facebook. As a giant in the social media world, Facebook offers a wide audience reach and diverse demographic. It's excellent for brand awareness and community building. Next up, Instagram. It's a visual platform, perfect for businesses that thrive on showcasing products or experiences. YouTube, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for video content. It gives you a platform to share in-depth information and create a stronger connection with your audience. And let's not forget Twitter. It's a rapid-fire platform, ideal for real-time updates and customer interactions. Each of these platforms offers unique benefits for online marketing and income generation. It's all about finding the one that aligns with your brand and audience. Knowing your platforms is the first step. Up next, let's understand social media algorithms. Ever heard of social media algorithms and wondered what they are? Let's pull back the curtain on this digital wizardry. In the simplest terms, algorithms are sets of rules that social media platforms use to decide which posts you see and in what order they appear. These algorithms are constantly evolving, learning from your interactions to curate a feed that's tailored to your interests. Each like, share, comment, or even the time you spend on a post feeds into this complex equation. For marketers, understanding these algorithms is like learning to speak a new language. It's the key to ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the right time. It's about crafting posts that not only grab attention but also engage users and encourage interaction. So, in essence, algorithms are these invisible puppet masters controlling the strings of social media engagement. They're the secret sauce of social media marketing. Now let's talk strategy. So, what does an effective social media marketing strategy look like? Well, it's a blend of creative content, audience engagement, and brand promotion. Let's start with content creation. The key here is to produce content that resonates with your audience. It should be original, engaging, and most importantly, valuable. It's not just about selling a product or service, it's about providing something of value that your audience can relate to. Next, audience engagement. This means actively interacting with your followers, respond to their comments like their posts, and even initiate conversations. Remember, social media is a two-way street. The more you interact, the more you build a strong relationship with your audience. Finally, brand promotion. This is where you showcase your products or services in a way that aligns with your brand's values and personality. It's about creating a unique brand identity that stands out in the crowded social media landscape. With the right strategies, you're on your way to becoming a successful online marketer, but what's next? Ready to take your social media marketing to the next level and become an influencer? Becoming a successful social media influencer requires more than just a strong online presence. It's about creating a unique brand, offering value, and engaging with your followers. Start by identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What content do you enjoy creating? This is the foundation of your brand. Next, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your brand. Your followers want to feel connected to you, and engagement is the key. Lastly, monetize your influence. This could be through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or creating your own products or services. Remember, the goal is to offer value to your audience, not just to make a quick buck. Now you have the blueprint to becoming a successful social media influencer and generating income online. It's time to put what you've learned into action. I hope this was helpful. Click the link below to download your free copy now. Enjoy!